Hello viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video we are going to see a short review on Sheaffer Award fountain pen, and here this is a red color. This body is fully made of plastic, and this is a red and pink and black mixed with a very quite decent design, and this clip is fully of a silver one, and there is also a bottom button which is also in silver, and also there is a white color surface at the uh, end button, and the brand's name Sheaffer was given here with a plastic finish one. Sheaffer USA was written here, and this is so sturdy, and this is normal click type opening. This is so simple to remove the cap, and this is a medium nib. Sheaffer brand's a medium nib which is in silver color. These are some rare pens, and this feeder has a very good grooves which is little bulgy too, and the grip portion, there is a rubber in the grip portion which gives a very comfortable holding and very good comfortable grip for this for any long writing too. And here there is a thread mechanism which has a cartridge inside this barrel. This is a cartridge converter type ink filling system. You can use converters also for this, and for this pairs you can check in our site. We are having this this 6 piece comes to 20 rupees, yeah. And for that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to cartridge or converters, then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And on the nib, this is a medium one, and few nibs need to be fine tuned because on manual assembly on nibs there may be some the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the both tines, and you will get a good ink flow, and after doing this you will get a good ink flow and smooth writing also. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is how you should practice, and make sure both the tines are parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. And now the diameters of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 9.3 mm and the body is 12.8 mm, and also this pen is more suitable for little fingers too and for adults too. And now the length of this pen without cap, it is 120.8 mm, and with cap it is 127.3 mm. And yeah, with this length measurement you can get some idea about the pouch or holders for this pen. Each thing should be maintained properly, so if you maintain this pen with any pouches or holders, you will get a very good long life for this, and also the aesthetic will be maintained like this forever. And the total weight of this pen is 15 grams. Now to the writing, I'm going to write some words in which I use of our penhouse violet color ink. Wow, super smooth one. Extraordinary smooth writing, very smooth writing like a butter. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink like our penhouse ink or Suleka, Brill, like those dye-based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so you will get a scratchy writing, and the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. I think you might experience this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. To remove the dirt and deposits in the feeder, you can remove the feeder unit and nib separately by holding this together and twist and pull. And there are two methods of removing the nib and the feeder. One is friction type, one is screw type. So make sure which type is this and then try to remove. And friction is that you can easily twist and pull, and screw is that you have to screw the portion, then it will come automatically. And yeah, after removing the feeder, flush the feeder with the help of toothbrush or clean it well with soap water or in tap water. And if you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. Here I'm going to show that this is Brill ink bottle. Here it is given, clean a pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick on drying on paper. So it is given here, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. You can find our mobile number in our penhouse.in site itself. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.